Siasa, maandalizi ya uchaguzi huanza mapema sana. Observers also emphasize that political speculation does not always reflect confirmed strategies. Sometimes discussions about secret meetings, they are driven by rumors. They are taken as a political message. Kwa hivyo, wananchi wanapaswa kuchambua taarifa kwa makini. The reason such stories gain attention is very simple. They highlight the intense competition shaping Kenya's political future. The political competition can involve messaging, can involve alliances and strategic planning. Kila upande wa kisiasa hujaribu kujipanga mapema.